Hey everyone, welcome back to the another Linux tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into the best alternatives to the finger command in Ubuntu 24.04. If you have been using finger to check user information, it's time to switch to a safer and more modern alternatives. Let's explore why finger is not recommended anymore and what you should do and what you should use instead. Let's understand why should we stop using finger command. It has a security risk. The finger command and its associated service fingerd expose the user details that attackers could exploit. It reveals user information that may not be intended for a public display. Many modern Linux distro, including Ubuntu 24.04, don't include finger out of the box. So what can you use instead? Let's check out the safer alternatives. Safer alternatives to a finger command in a Ubuntu. Depending on the information you need, here are the best and more secure options. Checking a logged in user. If you want to see who currently using the system, you can check with the command who lists the login user, their terminal and login time. And the next command is w. It shows the login user along with their active processes and system load. And the next command is last. It will display the login history, useful for our audit. And there is one more command, last log. It shows the last login time for all users. Here you can see in the output never logged in, and those who have been logged on the system, it will shows their time. Next, let's see how to retrieve user account details. If you want details about a specific user, you can use ID and provide the username. It will display a user ID, group ID and group membership. And next command is getent passwd and provide the username. It fetch user account details from /etc/passwd. And the next command is getent group, and I want to check sudo. It shows the member of the group. And to check the group followed by the username, here you can see it will list all the groups a user belongs to. Next, checking the user presence or activity. For checking a user presence, we use a command called pinky, a modern, safer alternative to finger, providing a basic user info without excessive details. Why these are better than finger command? So why should you switch to these alternatives which I explained in this tutorial? They are more secure, no vulnerable background service like fingerd, better privacy, user have more control over what info is displayed, included by default, no need for extra installation on your Linux, more useful data. These commands provide structured and relevant user info. For most sysadmin and Linux user, command like who, w, last, id and pinky covers everything you need without the risk of the finger command. If you are working in an enterprise environment, integrating LDAP or other authentication system will give you a better solution. Do you want a step-by-step video tutorial on these commands? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.